Hi everyone, welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock the YouTube app on your device so you can enjoy watching your favorite videos without any restrictions. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the app lock on your device. This is the app that you use to lock and protect your other apps from unauthorized access. You can find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. Enter the app lock password. This is the password that you set up when you installed the app lock. It can be a pattern, a PIN, a fingerprint, or a Face ID. Make sure you enter it correctly, otherwise you won't be able to unlock the YouTube app. Step 3. Scroll and find the YouTube app. Once you enter the app lock password, you will see a list of all the apps that are locked by the app lock. Scroll down until you find the YouTube app. It should have a lock icon on it, indicating that it is locked. Step 4. Press the unlock button. Tap on the YouTube app and you will see an unlock button. Press the unlock button and the YouTube app will be unlocked. You can now open the YouTube app and watch any video you want. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you at the next one. Bye.